Okay guys, welcome back to my house. Okay, this time I'm gonna try this, of course, my very own homemade chicken vegan longanisa, because it's really hard to find this kind of longanisa here in our place, so I decided to make my own. So let's do it. Let's taste it now. Masarap to. Sausaw, of course, sa sukang Ilocos. Ang sarap! Oh my God! Sobrang sarap! Bagay siya sa itlog na maangat. Ito na ito. Grabe, sobrang sarap na ito. Pure to. Doesn't have any, of course, preservatives or extenders. Purely chicken meat with lots of garlic. Of course. The my ingredients. This is my recipe. Kuhang-kuha. It really tastes so good.
Parang nasa vegan.
Yeah. Para kami pumunta ng Ilocos talaga. Sa vegan mismo.
Yung garlic, lasang-lasa ko yung garlic.
Where this longanisa originated. That's
the pepper? Oh my God! So good. Sarap.
Sarap daw. Oh, from Papa Chef na yan. Okay. Of course, with my Americano, espresso Americano. Sarap. Okay, bye guys. Ubusin ko muna. Pwede na eh. Kasi ito natira pa ako. Kasi malasang-malasa siya. So, mapapakanin talaga. Ito na lang. Sobrang sarap. Sarap pa ng fried rice ko.
Sarap yung fried rice mo? Tingin na.
Tama na. One cup of fresh na po siya. Bye.